So another one that's just arrived into stock at our Retford branch, we've got this 2021 Rimor 69 Evo Plus. Fantastic layout in this. It'll sleep 6 people, island bed at the back, drop down bed from the ceiling, massive garage at the back. Come and take a look. There's room for 2 large gas bottles in the locker here. At the garage door, and there's a garage door on either side. You can see you've got ample storage with a light at the back as well. Plenty of room to keep everything that you need. And a reversing camera on the rear brake light, just for safety. So let's go and take a look inside and see what you think. So as we come in here, you can see you've got the dinette with 2 forward-facing travelling seats, which also the table sinks to the floor to convert this to a bed area should you need to. It's also got the optional drop-down electric bed in the ceiling, which is a double bed, electrically operated. Will come about halfway, which is just a short ladder climb into bed when you want to use that. Based on the Ford cab, 6-speed box, very popular cab to build on. Most motorhome manufacturers are using this now because it's a fantastic driving experience. Both of those seats swivel to integrate the cab and the passenger seat into your dinette for your full-on dining experience. You've got the centre kitchen area just here. Full-size fridge freezer with a huge ice box. You've also got an oven grill combi above the fridge. As we go to the rear of the van, the ever popular island bed layout, which does raise at the back. If you want to sit up in bed and read, you've got a tilt feature at the back. And then you've got a Jack and Jill door here, which give you access to your centre bathroom. And a really popular separate shower.